Here's a 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, heated rear seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and heated leather bucket seats. Auto Week proclaims the Honda Civic got a new attitude after dropping some weight, adding better materials to the interior, and improving fuel economy. The Civic demands even more attention than it already gets. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.